Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gladitech. Today I'll be showing you how to turn off microphone on TikTok live gaming. Steps are type on the plus icon at the front of the screen. Only listen. Under the camera you see live option there, tap on it. Okay. Then games. Leave this detail. I'm going to leave that detail. Okay, I'm still using other games because I don't have other games in my device, but using other game I can play other games that I want to play. Then tap on go live, start now, go out from this screen from the app, then tap on the second icon, draw the microphone you draw it back like this. When you draw the line back, it becomes off, it turns off. If you want it to be on, you turn it back, it turns on. But I'll leave it like this for it to be